Of course. Enjoying the food.
Boys and one.
Don't worry, your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got some, and it's all because of you.
My name's Alex and thanks for watching our vlog.
What's gonna give you more time for us?
Subscribe mo nyo muna kami.
Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can.
I'm gonna eat.
You're gonna eat.
Yes, of course.
What are you doing ba? I thought you're gonna ano lang.
I'm gonna model later. But first I gotta eat. Eat, eat, eat.
What's that?
Chicken.
Chicken and chicken. What, chicken nuggets?
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm gonna eat.
Can I see?
This is my food. Yummy. Still eating, guys. Enjoying the food.
Attack. Dire-diretso lang tayo. Pumunta boys and one. Two set.
Bakit ka tatawa?
It's water. Oh, wow, it's cute. Alex.
Naku. So,
Ano pa ang apelido niya?
Al? Anak, careful. Ano ulit name mo, darling? Sebi.
Sibi.
Sebi. Beautiful. Wait lang, few carrots. Starting in 5 minutes.
Thank you for making friends. She's my nana.
How much passes here?
Summer comes alive in vibrant colors. Same pieces. Here are the young icons of styles. Our kids' luminaries.
Yeah.
But my mistake there is I forgot to move my hips.
Yeah, that's
I
okay.
forgot to king butt. I forgot the king butt.
Kembot.
King butt. King butt.
Oh, can you walk? Can you walk over there?
Happy guys, you're here.
Flip.
I just can't hold my bed.
Yeah.
Beers na daw po agad ah. Beers na daw po agad.
Buti na lang merong ding friend si Alex here. Ang dami-dami nangyari. Bumili kami ng shoes and then natanggal yung niya. Natanggal yung... Tapos parehas pa na right. Parehas pa na right.
For Justin Perel Collection, featured model Nico Ortega.
Lakas ng music. Outfit.
The man behind Justin Perel Collection.
She's eating. So nice. Parang naman siya ngayon. Wow, it's so pretty.
Hey, Jello, yung favorite mo? Hi, my name's Alex and thanks for watching our vlogs and see you. I-subscribe mo nyo muna kami at i-like at i-share. Comment ha. Bablog kami kasi gusto namin madami yung views. Yes, of course. And we can look back at our channels, right? Rumampa kami ngayon. Ito yung tita ko. Hihi. That's my mom. Hi guys, look at my face. Look at my face. Kita mo. Wet. Yung puwet, may puwet. May puwet siya, guys. May puwet. Ang puwet ay pribado. Awawa. Putol ang katawan. At hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Together, we've created a night full of style, inspiration, and hope for a vibrant summer ahead. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga nakasama natin ngayong gabi. Mabuhay ang Obra Season 2! Mabuhay ang Oriental Mindoro Butterfly Society Incorporated! Good evening and thank you everyone!
Punta po lahat tayo doon para sa ating Grand Victorias. Punta po lahat tayo doon.
Alex.
Please, sama ka dito. Ako naman sana tuloy yung ano.